going to do a real quick overview of building your bench harness. Just have a few simple components: a blue connector, OBD2 connector, a constant power switch, a keyed power switch, and a power source. Using 4 pinouts on your blue connector. Pin 1 is for the ground, pin 19 is 12 volt switched, pin 20 is 12 volt constant, pin 58 is your serial data. On your OBD2, you're also using 4 of the pinouts. Serial data is on pin number 2. Grounds at pins 4 and 5. 16 is your 12 volt constant. I would start by hooking up my grounds first. Just pick a central grounding point from your blue connector. Pin 1 goes to ground. From your OBD2, pins 4 and 5 go to ground. And from your 12 volt power source, the negative side is going to go to ground. Next thing I would do is bring my power in, starting at my 12 volt power source on the positive side. We're going to bring that to the inside of our constant power switch, and we're going to come out of that switch and feed our power into our keyed switch. We're also going to send the constant power to pin 16 on our OBD2, which is our 12 volt constant, and we're going to send it to pin 20 on our blue connector, which is 12 volt constant. Following along with making the power go, we're going to come out of our keyed power switch, and we're going to send that to pin 19, which is our 12 volt switched on our blue connector. The last thing we need is our serial data, and that's going to connect pin 58 on our blue connector to pin number 2 on our OBD2. If you would like to add lights like I have on mine, just so you have some indicator lights so you know when power is flowing in what direction. Alright, you just have a positive and a ground. Send the grounds the same place that you've sent the rest of your grounds. And then get your power from the appropriate place so that your light lights up at the right time. That would be on the outside of the constant power switch and on the outside of the keyed power switch. Alright, that's it. It's that simple.